Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get and use the Veles Detector in Stalker. Alright, if you're struggling to find those elusive artifacts in Stalker and you want to make your artifact hunting safer and more efficient, meet the Veles Detector, your best friend in the zone. And this guide will show you how to get it and use it like a pro. The Veles Detector is one of the most advanced artifact detectors in Call of Pripyat. Unlike the similar Echo or Bear detectors, the Veles can pinpoint artifact locations with high precision while helping you avoid anomalies. It's a must-have for serious stalkers. You can get these Veles Detector by 1. Completing to find the Magpie quest for a reward. Buying it from traders like Hawaiian at Yanov Station if you've got the rubles. Alright, after that you can equip the detector, head into anomaly fields and listen for beeps. The closer you are to an artifact, the faster the beeping. Use bolts to avoid hidden anomalies, and then grab the prize. And that is it. I hope this video helped some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.